Hello and welcome back. It's kind of late morning here, day 2, my weekend, and today is stump removal day. So I'm gonna grab my rain jacket actually because it's supposed to be about 40% chance of rain today, I guess. So I've got my my rain pants on. I'm gonna get my rain jacket on. But before I get going on that, I've got to get up to the tractor. Got to add more diesel, and I want to grease or lubricate the backhoe part. So let's go grab that. I'll meet you up there. All right, just got to get the siphon going there with the siphon hose, and then it should just siphon out of the can into the tank. So while that's running, we can look at the backhoe here. So yeah, I just got to basically find all the little nipples for putting grease in, and then add grease to those spots. Sometimes I get ones like this where I need to get a stick to kind of clean it out, but usually you should be able to find them. There's actually a diagram here which shows all the spots, but I usually just kind of walk around and grab them all because they're all pretty obvious. Once you find all the joints, essentially have a little nipple to take the grease. So let's get to it. Also got this this quick release to help grab on. Makes it much easier. Then you can just use the sort of two hands if you need to on this thing. All right, that's all the points. Looks like my diesel is fully drained out here too. All right, should be good to go. So I got to fire it up, and then we'll head down to where the first stump is. I think I'm gonna grab a load of the aggregate on my way by as well, and I'll dump that in one of the spots that needs more, and then I'll just keep zipping down till I get to the spot where I want to pull out the first stump. So let's do it. All right, that's a little bit better now. If I step back here, this is kind of much better now. Bit of a line there. So that's good. I think I'm going to walk back and maybe have a coffee, take a little break before I get to the next one. I think I only have the one more stump that I can deal with here. Past this section. This one here, this is kind of the last one I took down. So yeah, I guess I could come back and get that one out and maybe clean up this area a little bit. But yeah, that's better. Mucky spot here. Kind of like that's where my drain there is. So I might fish that out a bit more too and get some rocks down in that spot. Maybe take a bit more of the edge off here as I move up that way. I want to kind of get close to that rock, expose it if I can. So yeah, let's take a break, have a coffee, and then we'll get back to it. I'll see you in a bit. All right, I'm back. A little drink and a little snack. So I guess I'm gonna deal with this one here. I might be able to cut a little bit off the edge here too instead of just this, but I think I'll get past it first. Kind of start in about here, work my way to the stump, try to get it off. And I would like actually to get all the way kind of the front of this thing kind of cleared as well. Just expose this nice cool rock here. But I'm very close to behemoth. Don't like being this close really, but it's pretty still air here, so should be okay. So yeah, let's grab the tractor and bring it up this way and start getting to it. Alright. Got that rock looking a little nicer now. And on the road edge here, not too bad. Needs to be flattened out a bit more. My biggest problem is that this dirt or sand is not very good. It just kind of turns to mud if it's kind of loose. So like even that spot there is kind of sinking in. I probably have to add more rocks and stuff to it. So I really need to bring more aggregate on top of this stuff and give it some support. But it's possible that the you know, grass and stuff will grow into and give it some little bit of structure. But I need to get some rocks on it as well, or it won't last. Started to rain a little bit on and off, but yeah, it's still not too bad. It's a little chilly today, but not too cold, keeping the bugs down. So yeah, I guess I could go this way a little farther. I haven't done any more clearing down there yet because it's where my chainsaw broke. So I'm not really ready to go down that way. But I do have another stump, a couple little stumps to take out at the top of that clearing on the other side of the creek, on this side of the creek. So I think I'm gonna head back there and take care of those. And then yeah, that might be it. Might be running low on time here. So let's get over there and get those taken care of. Alright, it takes care of those little stumps there. I use this area here to sort of turn around for the dump truck so I can back it in and dump loads. So any more extra space I can get here makes the turn of that big beast a little bit easier. So I think that's it. I might run a few loads of the topper that I have and just spread that in a few places. So we'll have a little bit of time here in the tractor going. But I think that's going to be it shortly after that. So I think I'm just going to call it here. So yeah, so got some decent work done today, I guess, with the stumps there. But it's pretty much what I wanted to do today. So got that done at least. So yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye for now.